Magandang buhay! Ngayong umaga, pag-uusapan natin ang na-download ko sa internet. Meron nag-share sa atin nito at nagpapasalamat ako dito sa tinatawag nating 2019 MTAP Deped Survey Program in Mathematics. Okay? Pang grade 1 ito, session 6 actually. Makinig mabuti at magandang pag-usapan itong klase ng presentation. It is all about fraction. Alam nyo bang araw-araw natin nagagamit ang fraction? Hindi lang natin napapansin. Kagaya nito, ang pizza. Ilang slices ng pizza ang iyong nauubos? Siguro matakaw ka, no? Sige, pag-usapan natin kung ilang parts ng pizza ang iyong nakakain. A fraction is defined as any part of the group, number, or a whole. I repeat, a fraction is any part of a group, number, or a whole. Ang tawag natin sa bilog na ito ay whole. Dito naman sa kabila, ang buo ay hinati natin sa dalawa, kaya naging 1/2. Sa fraction, dapat tandaan mo ang dalawang salita, numerator at saka denominator. Ang mga susunod nating matutunghayan ay ang maiksing pagsusulit kung mayroon tayong natandaan o wala. For numbers 1 and 2, identify the fraction for the shaded part. Anong answer mga kids sa number 1? For number 1, the answer is 1/2. Sa number 2, anong answer mga kids? There are 3 parts, but 1 part is taken away, so the answer is 1/3. How about numbers 3 and 4? Identify the fraction for the shaded part. Any wild guess? The answer for number 3 is 1/4. For number 4, the answer is 2/5. For numbers 5 and 6, identify the fraction for the shaded part. Dito sa number 5, merong 6 na parts, pero 2 lang ang shaded, kaya ang answer ay 2/6. At dito naman sa number 6, 8 ang hati noong pizza. Pero ang shaded part ay 2 bahagi lamang, kaya ang answer ay 2/8. Ang susunod nating pag-uusapan ay tungkol sa similar and dissimilar fractions. Huwag mag-alala, ito ay madaling tandaan. Similar or sim-sim na sinasabi, or the same denominator. Sa kabilang banda, ang dissimilar ay kabaliktaran ng similar. Ang ibig sabihin, ang mga denominators ay iba-iba ang numbers. Ito ngayon ang example ng similar fractions. Pare-pareho ang denominator. Ang tawag dito ay similar fractions. Ito naman ang kabaliktaran, dissimilar fractions. Makikita nyo, nasa denominator, iba-iba yung numbers. Ngayon, i-classify natin naman itong mga fractions na ito kung similar o dissimilar fractions. Napakadali lang ito. Number 1 is classified as similar fraction. Number 2 is dissimilar fraction. The third one is similar fraction. Ang number 4 ay classified as similar fraction dahil pare-pareho ang denominator. Naintindihan niyo ba, class? Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang proper and improper fraction. Ano-anong mga ito? Madali din ito. Okay? Ang fraction ay tinatawag nating proper pag ang denominator ay mas malaki kaysa numerator. Ang improper fraction naman ay kabaliktaran ng proper fraction. Ang denominator ay mas maliit kaysa numerator. Ganito ang itsura pag tinatawag nating proper fraction. Ganito naman itsura pag improper fraction. Tingnan mabuti, bakit kaya yung 4 over 4 ay tinatawag nating improper fraction? Pareho lang naman. 4 over 4 or 1. Tingnan naman natin kung gaano kayo kagaling na sa proper and improper fraction. Number 1. Ano bang answer? Tingnan ang denominator kung mas malaki kaysa numerator. Ano ang answer ng number 1? The answer is proper fraction. How about number 2? Is it proper or improper fraction? Number 2 is improper fraction. How about number 3? Is it improper or proper fraction? Number 3 is a proper fraction. Number 4, is it proper or improper fraction? Take a look with the denominator. Kung mas mataas ba ang denominator or mas malaki kaysa numerator. Number 4 is classified as improper fraction. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang paggamit ng greater than, less than, and equal sign. Tandaan, pag similar fractions, mas madali ang buhay. Kagaya nitong 3/4 ang nasa kaliwa. Mas malaki ang numerator niya kaysa nasa kanan o sa 1/4. Kaya ang gagamitin nating symbol ay greater than sign. Ang pagbigkas nito ay 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Paano naman to? Mas maliit ang nasa kaliwa kaysa sa kanan. Ano ang gagamitin? Ang gagamitin natin ay ang symbol na less than sign. Ang pagbigkas nito ay 1/4 is less than 2/4. Now, write down greater than, less than, or equal sign on the blank. The answer number 1 is less than sign. Number 2. Number 2 is greater than. Question number 3. What's your answer? The answer is greater than sign. Last but not the least, number 4. What's your answer? The answer for number 4 is equal sign. Bakit pareho? Pag ang numerator at denominator ay pareho, ang equivalent value ay 1 or is equal to 1. Therefore, number 4 is 1 is equal to 1. Our next topic is about least and greatest. Alin ang pinakakonti or the least? Alin ang pinakamarami or the greatest? Arrange the fractions from least to greatest. Question number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Kate ate 1/5 of a pie while Rommel ate 1/3 of it. Who ate the greater part of the pie? The answer is Rommel, because Rommel ate 1/3 of the pie. Question number 2. Feli ate 2/8 of a set of macaroons while Jam ate 6/8 of them. Who ate more macaroons? The answer is Jam. Question number 3. Mother divided a big watermelon into 12 equal sizes. If father ate 5 slices, what part of the watermelon did he eat? The answer is 5/12. Question number 4. Jean baked a cake and cut it into 6 equal pieces. She gave 2 pieces to Andy. What fraction of the cake was left with Jean? The answer is 4/6. Question number 5. Mother baked 45 cookies. She served 1/3 of them for snacks and gave 6 to the neighbors. How many cookies were left or remained? The answer is 24 cookies. In a class, there are 11 boys and 22 girls. What part of the class are boys? The answer is 11/33. In a vase, there are 7 red roses and 8 white roses. What part of the flowers is white? The answer is 8/15. Question number 3. Paulo had 48 ripe atis. He gave 1/3 of it to Alvin. How many atis did he give to Alvin? The answer is 16 atis. Question number 4. What will you add to 8/11 to make it equal to 1? You need 3/11 to make it 1. Question number 5. There are 15 science books, 6 math books, and 3 English books on the shelf. What part of the set of books are math books? The answer is 6 over 24. 1/4 of the mangoes in the basket are ripe. If there are 24 mangoes, how many are not ripe? There are 18 mangoes who are not yet ripe. There are 18 people in the park. 1/6 of them are children. The rest are adults. How many are children? There are 3 children in the park. Question number 8. If the fractions 4/6, 3/6, and 1/6 are arranged from the greatest to the least, which fraction will come first? The answer is 4/6. Question number 9. There are 240 eggs in the box. 1/6 were found to have cracks. How many eggs had no cracks at all? The answer is 240 eggs. How many are 1/7 of 28? The answer is 4. Number 11. 3/4 of the class joined the field trip. There are 40 students in the class. How many did not join the field trip? The number is 10. Number 12. Gina has painted 3/5 of the wall. Andre painted 1/5 more. How many fractional part of the wall has already been painted? The answer is 4/5. Here is the challenge question. There are 45 students in a class. 3/5 of the class are boys. 2/3 of the boys are scouts. How many boys are not Boy Scouts? The answer is 9, boys. Another challenge question. In a class of 48 students, 15 wear black shoes and 1/3 wears white shoes. How many do not wear black nor white shoes? Challenge number 3 question. How many fourths are there in 2.5? The answer is 10. Challenge number 5. A birthday cake was divided into 48 square units. If Marie served 1/2 of the cake to her friends, how many square units were served? The answer is 24 square units. In behalf of I Volunteer for Filipino Children, I'd like to thank the source of this document, which is vital to the learnings of the children. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel in YouTube, so that you will be updated with my new videos. Thank you very much.